Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make kimchi fried rice. It's just a few pantry basics, rice, kimchi, eggs and some trimmings, but it's a dish that we love at home. And once you've made it for the first time, I promise you it's a dish you'll keep coming back to thanks to its simplicity and punchy flavours. We're going to start by prepping a few ingredients before we start frying up our kimchi fried rice. We're going to roughly chop up our kimchi, chop up 1 brown onion and crack and beat 4 eggs. Now grab your trusty wok, heat it up and add 1 tablespoon of oil, swirling it across the wok to cover as much of it as we can. Once your wok starts to smoke, we're going to add in our chopped onions and fry the onion until it starts to soften. At this point, we're also going to throw in our chopped kimchi along with the kimchi juices, and we're going to saute this for roughly 3 to 4 minutes or till the kimchi juice has evaporated and the kimchi becomes very fragrant. You'll know when this happens as the kitchen starts to smell amazing. Once it's hit this stage, remove the kimchi from the wok and set it aside. Using the same wok, I'm going to add in some more oil, roughly 1 tablespoon worth, and pour in my beaten eggs. We want to keep stirring and folding these eggs so that they're cooked evenly. Once the eggs are roughly 50% cooked, we're going to add in our cooked overnight rice. We're using overnight rice so that the rice retains its shape and to ensure our fried rice doesn't have too much moisture or we run the risk of it becoming a soggy fried rice. If you come across any larger clumps of rice, use the back of your spatula to press and break it apart. Next, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and stir that through. We're now going to bring back our cooked kimchi and add it to the wok and keep tossing and stirring to bring all those beautiful flavours together. So even though the kimchi is fiery red, keep in mind that it's not very spicy. I personally like my food on the spicier side, so I'm going to add in roughly a teaspoon of gochugaru to give it a little bit more of a kick. As always, just season to your preference. If your fried rice is starting to stick to the wok, feel free to add a little bit more oil to it. We're also going to add in roughly 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and keep stirring that for roughly 3 to 5 minutes or until everything is well and combined. Once you're happy with your fried rice, turn off the heat and add a big handful of spring onion and fold that in. And it's ready. I'm going to serve my kimchi fried rice with a fried egg, crispy on the edges, oozy in the center, and I'm also going to top it off with some toasted sesame seeds and spring onion. And there you have it, that's how I cook my kimchi fried rice. Thanks for watching guys. If you've liked this video, please remember to comment, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.